Do you want your balloons?
I want one, Mommy.
Lots of balloons. Big balloons. Maybe Daddy will get them for you.
You want your balloon, boo-boo? You want a balloon? Or you want the whole mess?
What's the matter? Look what Daddy has.
There you go, monkey. Hold on to him.
Ooh. Who is this? Who is that? Mommy can't even get your face on the camera. Who is that? Dora, that's right. Dora. Do you like Dora?
Where did Dora go?
Where is she? Is she hiding?
What is that?
Doggies.
What did doggy say?
Woof. Woof. And the ginormous 2. Who's that?